Hello everyone, this is Miss Lascano, and I hope you are all doing well. So for this video, we're just going to be discussing a website that I found that could be really helpful for your PBL unit. And so I'm going to give you a quick reminder of what your project-based learning unit is about. So the main topic for this unit is migration and immigration. And so as we discussed in previous classes, we talked about migration in the United States during the 19th century and early on. We talked about the history of migration in the United States. And so as you can see here, the first picture, you may have seen it before as we talked about in our other class. We talked about manifest destiny. And so manifest destiny was like this cultural belief that American settlers in the 13 colonies were destined to expand across North America. And so that's why they were moving western for new opportunities and many things like that. And so for your PBL unit, we are really looking for why people drive to migrate. You can look from why people migrate during the 19th century, and you can also look currently. But we are really looking for what drives people to migrate. And so this website can be really helpful for your PBL unit. Excuse me. And so I'm going to be showing you how to get to this website. So, excuse me. So if you go to your Google search, you're going to search up Mr. Nussbaum. It's MR.NUSSBAUM. And so when you search this up, you're going to click on the first link that you see. So it's Mr. Nussbaum Learning Plus Fun. And so as you can see here on the screen, the first thing you see is subjects. And so there's many subjects you can choose from games, math, language arts, history, USA, geography, science, people, holidays, and others. And as our topic is over migration and immigration, we're going to look at these three main subjects, which is history, USA, and geography. And so we're going to click on history real quick. So you click on history and you scroll down, and there's so many categories that you can choose from. There's the 13 colonies, Abraham Lincoln. There's so many categories you can choose from. Civil War, current events, explorers, first ladies, George Washington, and maps historical and interactive. So I'm going to click up here, right here in the 13 colonies, the first one here. And so when you click here, they're going to give you some learning activities that you can look over. So here you see the 13 colonies interactive map, which is a map that lets you click on any colonies or major cities in the colonies to learn more about the history. And I scroll down and I see other colonies, specifically Connecticut colony, Delaware, there's New Hampshire, you look all here. So I'm going to show y'all real quick what these activities look like. So when I click here on the 13 colonies interactive map, oh, sorry, it doesn't add. Be careful with the ads there. Make sure you click close. And so here you see the 13 colonies interactive map. And it says here that this map allows y'all to click on any colonies, or major cities in the colonies to learn more about the history and characteristics. And so they give you a brief description of the 13 colonies right here. And you can even click on the states, such as Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. I'm going to click on South Carolina. And you see here on the right-hand side where my mouse is going over, you can see there's so much information about the South Carolina. And you can look at so much, and you can read about it. So much information right there. And not only the states, there's also cities. So I'm going to click on Williamsburg. You see, there's so much information that you can read over. And yeah, I think this is a great thing to look at, the interactive maps. There's also some questions and related activities that can be really helpful. So I'm going to click back and look at the other categories. There's some other categories right here. And right here, they have the filters and grades. So I know you're 5th graders. We can also look at 6th grade, 4th grade. It doesn't really matter for me, but I think sorry, my battery's like running low. But you can really see all the grade levels if it really helps you find what you're looking for your PBL. And so not only you can look in history, let's click on USA. Here they provide the states, and you can really look over these different states. Let's click in our state, Texas, right here. And yeah, you see they provide Texas Interactive Map, the state symbol, so many information that you can look over. And lastly, let's look at geography. That's another category you should look at. So reminder, so these 3 are the main one you're looking at if you go to this website. This website is a great example to help you out with your PBL unit. And so there's so many categories you can look from. Let's see, let's click on scavenger and hunt. Here they say the 13 colonies, they provide some activities. Oh, that's like a activity you can do and print it out. Here there's some interactive scavenger hunt maps. But yeah, I think this website can be really helpful for y'all for your PBL unit. And yeah, you can just really explore and look around and see what they have here. There's Lewis and Clark, you click here. There's an interactive map of Lewis and Clark expedition, and then you click here. Let's see. Oh, you can click on the locations and see what they all are about. Oh my gosh, wow. They give you sounds of the rivers. Oh my gosh, that sounds so cool. And so you go to history here. So yeah, I think this website, Mr. Newsband, let's say Mr. Newsband's Learning and Fun, can be a really great resource for your PBL unit, and I really hope this help you guys. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will respond as quickly as possible. But I really hope this website helps you out, what you're really looking for, helps you out with your PBL unit. And yeah, just let me know if you have any more questions. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.